Hey guys, so Wet n Wild has a new makeup collection out. It's called Date or Dominate. It is a CVS exclusive. That is the only place that you'll be able to find it. If you watch the whole video, I did do a makeup tutorial with 2 out of the 3 products that I purchased. And so let's just get into it. So yeah, this is a CVS exclusive. There are 2 eyeshadow palettes. The first one is called Perfect Date, and actually this is more than an eyeshadow palette. It is a eye and face palette because this is not considered eye safe. So I use this as a blush, and then I use the other 3 shades to do the look that I have on, which, you know, that's coming in the video. But that's what the colors look like. And there is a very strong red tone even to these 2 shades right here. Let me swatch this so you can get an idea of what I'm talking about. So those are the 4 shades. So this bright red one is the blush, but when these 2 shades are on, you can see that they have a very strong red tone. And then this is the shade that's on my lids. So that's what the colors in this palette look like swatch. And then the other palette is called Dominate Tricks. And that is what this looks like. And let's swatch this so you can see this. And I am going to do another video using this palette just so you can see what this looks like on my face as well. So those are those 4 colors. And then the third product that I bought was the liquid highlighter. And it comes with a little mini sponge. I didn't use that actually today, but I could have. And that is what this looks like. And it's a light gold, but it has kind of a pink undertone to it, but it is gorgeous. That is a swatch of the highlighter. Absolutely beautiful. I love it. And when I was doing the tutorial, I forgot to do my brow bone highlight and inner corner highlight, so I actually did it after I shut the camera off. But I have on, you know, the full look right now. So what else is in this collection that I didn't buy? There are 2 multi-stick kits, 2 different choices on that. There are 2 liquid eyeshadows. There is a mascara and eyeliner kit. There are 2 lipsticks. And did I forget anything? No, I think that's it. So, you know, not a huge collection, but still plenty of choices. And I like how they color coordinated depending on whether you were doing the date or dominate choices. Okay, so this is the tutorial portion of the video, so hopefully you stuck around for that. I'm going to be using the Perfect Date palette, and it does say on the back eye and face palette, so this is the color that they consider to be the face aspect of this. So I'm just going to take my Essence blush brush and give it a little bit of a tap, and that's going to be our blush. So I kind of like the idea of having a blush in the palette like that. They didn't do it with the other palette in the collection, but yeah, I kind of like that idea. Oh, this one is, I applied too much. Okay, we can fix that, no worries. See, this is perfect to me. This is not perfect. But yeah, if you ever do that, take some of your face powder. I'm using the e.l.f. Halo Glow setting powder, and pick up some of that on your brush and then just blend that in to your blush. Still too much. Okay, gonna go in with my powder brush then. And we're gonna just keep blending. All right, see, that's much better. And I'm gonna have to add a little bit over here to even it out. So I'm just gonna take what's left on the brush, and now we have the same amount on both sides. Yay! It's not easy, but it can be done. Okay, now we're going to go in with the Wet n Wild Date or Dominate liquid highlighter, and I did do a swatch of this, so you know what that looks like already if you watch the other part of the video. So I'm going to take the excess off the applicator, and then I'm going to go dot, dot, dot. And I'm going to blend that with a makeup sponge. And you want to be careful with this because it is quite pigmented, but I think I can do a bit more. Let's just do a bit more. Okay. I can see it on this side. Yeah, just do a little bit at a time, guys, because this is an intense highlighter. All right, that's good. I don't want a crazy, you can see it from outer space type thing. All right, we're going to go back to our palette now, and I'm going to use this shade right here, and they don't have shade names. Actually, what about my eyeshadow base, right? Well, I do have a little bit of foundation on already, but I want to use, yeah, let's do my Colourpop, bear with me. I think this would look fine with this. And I just blend that out with my finger. And I put it in the crease and outer part of my lid. I don't put it on the lid because the color that I'm going to use in the lid area, I don't want to alter the color of it by putting this on the lid, in case you're wondering why I do this the way that I do. I guess I never really explained that part of it, did I? I just assumed that people would understand, but sometimes it's good to explain why you do things the way you do them. Okay, so that is all set. Now we can go in with my Moda crease brush to this shade right here. Wet n Wild has come out with some really beautiful limited edition collections in the last year. I'm going very deep into the crease here. I'm not going all the way up where we put the shadow stick, the Colourpop shadow stick. You're just going to confine this color to the deepest part of the crease, like that. I want to blend it a little more. You take your time and blend things out until you're happy with what you see, right? Okay, now I'm obviously doing one eye at a time here. I'm going to take this AOA Studio E131 brush, and we're going to go into this shimmery color right here. And I would call this a brown. That's really what it is. Oh, that's pretty. I wasn't going to get both eyeshadow palettes because I'm trying to cut down on the amount of makeup that I'm buying, but I just couldn't resist because Wet n Wild limited edition collections are usually something really special. And I was like, am I going to have FOMO if I don't buy both these palettes? All right, I'm going to take a clean brush and we're going to go into this darkest shade in the palette, which is like a chocolate brown, I would say. We're going to go right into the outer part of my eyelid and the crease. Oh, that is blending like a dream, you guys. You know, sometimes it's not easy to blend that darkest color, but that's blending beautiful. Oh my God, I love it when it's easy. Yes. Let's get right down into that corner there. Okay. And I want to come in just a tiny bit. There we go. That's better. All right. Now let's take a detail brush and go back into that deepest shade and do some right along the lower lash line. And now I'm going to shut the camera off and come back. I'm going to do the other eye, gonna curl my lashes, put mascara on, and we'll come back and do the lips and finish up this look. So I actually messed up twice in this video. I forgot to put my mascara on after I did the other eye, and then I just moved on with the video and didn't even realize my mistake. So you'll notice in the next clip that something looks off, and it's because I forgot to curl my lashes and put the mascara on, and I can't redo it because it's sometimes you just can't. So I just wanted to mention that. Okay, so I thought that the lip product that I had in my collection that would go best with this is the Ioni Phat Lip Chubby Stick in Nude Rose, and this is from Dollar Tree, and it's just a big giant lip pencil. So first I'm going to line my lips with the tip. And then turn it a little bit sideways. And fill in. And I always start my look with my lip repair oil because there's nothing worse than trying to apply a lip product over dry lips that, you know, need moisture, and then your lip products are always going to go on better by the time you get to this end part. And then I'm going to use my Milani Make It Last original setting spray, of course. And that's just going to merge all the powders together. Now, one thing I do want to say about this look is that the red tones in those eyeshadows, or I should say, the tone of these eyeshadows has got a very strong redness to it. And these two shades here, yeah, have a lot of redness in them. This is like a mauve, this is a brown, but the brown is very reddish. And so if you're not into that, then you might not want this palette. It's okay. It's not, you know, my favorite. Reds are hard for me because my skin is so cool tone, but that is the finished look. And thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up.